With this video I made $1,159 without showing my face. With this video I made $477 just for showing my face for 30 seconds. And I earned 2 to 3 times more money with these videos if we also count the affiliate earnings. So in total with these two videos I made something like $4,000 to $5,000. Money making process on YouTube is the same whether or not you want to show your face. You need to do 7 simple steps and then you will start earning money. In this video we will go through those steps one by one and then I will give you a lot of free tools that you can use to earn even more money on YouTube. The first step to making money on YouTube is to find a keyword. And I will give you 3 different tools to find keywords. The first one is my favorite, which is YouTube search. This is 100% free and anybody can use this. Second option is vidIQ and third option is TubeBuddy. I have used and I use all of these tools, but YouTube search is my personal favorite. In order to create the video, you need to have some keyword that you target, so when people search for something on YouTube, they will see your video and you will get views and you will earn money. Your keyword will depend on the topic of your YouTube channel. For example, my main channel is Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people to earn money from home. And I create videos about different money making applications. So let's take an example from this channel. One way how I can find keywords and ideas is type here Binance, which is one of those money making applications. And then YouTube shows you what people are searching for. Binance tutorial, Binance trading, Binance tutorial for beginners, Binance futures trading, Binance futures trading strategies. These are all keywords and topics that I can target. Or let's say if I want to create some general type of video, for example, how to make money online, how to make money online as a kid, how to make money online right now, how to make money online watching YouTube videos, how to make money online with affiliate marketing. All of these are potential video topics. And then if you want to find topics and keywords for your own channel, you type here how to and then the topic of your YouTube channel. For example, if it's football, you can type here how to play football after a long time, how to play football for beginners, how to play football like a pro. All of these are viable keywords that you can use in your videos. And if you want to get more ideas, of course you can use these tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy, but YouTube search already gives you a lot of great ideas. The second step is to create a video targeting that keyword. You don't need to show your face. I think the easiest way to do this is simply to record your screen, and there are a lot of free tools that you can use. One of the free tools that I like to use a lot was Screencast-O-Matic. For example, this video that made $1,159 from YouTube ads, it was completely recorded with Screencast-O-Matic. I didn't show my face, I simply recorded the screen. Nowadays I use a screencast software called Camtasia, but Screencast-O-Matic you can use for free. Meanwhile, Camtasia is a paid software. Screencast-O-Matic has also a paid version which is really cheap, like $12 a year, like $1 a month or something like that. But that's a great free software. And of course, if you are recording your phone, you can for example use this X recorder. You can see it's also a free software. This is what I use when I record my phone screen. So you can decide which device you use to record and what kind of screencast software. Then you simply talk on top of that video and then you don't need to show your face ever. Alright, now you have chosen a keyword, you have recorded the video using a screen recorder. What next? The next step is to create a thumbnail. Let me show you an example. So all of these are thumbnails, this little image that people see when they come to YouTube. And this is not complicated. Let me show you a free software that I use to create these thumbnails. That is canva.com. This is 100% free and here you can create easy thumbnails. You can type here, for example, YouTube thumbnail. And you can see it shows you more than 12,000 templates. And then you can get started with them. You can see there are many different templates that you can choose, and if you click any of these you will be able to change and edit them easily. Let me give you an example. Let's click this one right here. This would be for a news channel, so breaking news, and of course you can type here whatever you want. Breaking live, for example, or whatever you want to put there. Then you can zoom in, zoom out. You can type here best news or whatever you want. Then you can zoom in, zoom out. You can edit this really easily. As you can see, it's 100% free, drag and drop thumbnail creator, and here are also many other. You can choose any of these, and these are 100% free. Personally, I don't like to use 100% exactly these thumbnails because oftentimes many people are using them. So then when you see this on YouTube, they kind of feel like stock images and not so authentic. But of course, this is one easy way to create thumbnails. And you can see that there are thousands of different templates that you can choose from. In order to get views and make money, you want to make the video helpful. And if you already have the knowledge, that's wonderful, but in most cases you may not have the knowledge already. So then you may want to use these tools like Google and YouTube.com, where you get the information, you do so-called research. Research sounds like too academic, but basically you search for different things, what people are saying about this topic, get some information, get some ideas, and then create the video in your own words, provide some helpful information. Let me give you an example, how to play football for beginners. If I would want to create this kind of topic, of course I could give some ideas based on my own experience, but in order to create a better video, I would probably watch a couple of these videos first, and then based on that information and my own knowledge, I would create my video. So do this kind of small research. Of course, Google.com is also a wonderful tool. So you can type here also how to play football for beginners, and then you will see many different tutorials. It also shows you the YouTube tutorials and then also articles and everything. So you get a lot of ideas for your videos and you never run out of ideas what to create. Then if you want to make a lot of money, mention some product in your videos, because YouTube ads, it's just one of the many ways to make money. And in fact, on my channel, this is just one minor income source. It's not the major. I make much more money from other sources. And then you can make money by leaving a link below your video when people click more and they start using some of the products that you mention. For example, in this video, I show people how to make money on Binance. And if people start making money on Binance, I may earn some money for that. And I also leave some other relevant resources. For example, this channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online. There are different money making resources that people can start using to earn money from home. And then I may earn some money when people click them. And that usually pays you much more money than just YouTube ad revenue, because YouTube ad revenue, it pays you something, but generally leaving links in the description, and when people click them, then you will earn more money. And that is actually the sixth step, you leave links in the description. And then the last but not least, you simply publish the video and start earning money. So you come here on YouTube, you click here upload video, and then you drag and drop the video right here. Once the video has been uploaded, I recommend that you optimize it. And this is a bonus step, of course. You add a title targeting the keyword that you research in the step number 1. Then you fill out the description here. You add there the links in order to make money that we discussed in the step number 5 and 6. Then I also recommend you click here play, and then you put it in the pause, and then you scroll down, and you also leave a link here in the pinned comment, because this can also make you a lot of money. Then you add the end screen, you add cards. Here you will be able to add a thumbnail, add tags, add it to the playlists. If you have your channel monetized, you can click here monetization. You can add some YouTube ads there. Of course, this is optional because you can earn much more money from the links on your description, but you can choose if you want to add them. Once you are ready, you come right here, you click here public, you click here done, then you click here save, and you publish the video. And the beauty of this method is that you will be making money for years to come. As you can see right here, this video was published all the way in 2019, and it has been making me money for years. You can see it's still making me money after all these years, every single day. And this is just one of many examples on my channel. You have probably seen in my other lessons that when you publish a video, that will keep on making you money for months and years to come. So that's the basic process of making money without showing your face on YouTube. And you can do the whole process for 100% free using free tools like YouTube Search, Screencast-O-Matic, or Screen Recorder on your phone. and then Canva tool. Now if you want to learn more in detail the whole process, I have created a program called Tube Journey to Freedom, where I help you to go from A to Z, help you to go from zero to making a life-changing income on YouTube. Here I show you how to build your YouTube channel, how to create successful videos, how to upload and optimize. I show all of these things like tags, description, making money, and all of these things in a great detail. And then you will see many different ways how you will be able to monetize your channel and earn a life-changing income on YouTube. I will leave you a link in the pinned comment and also here in the description where you can immediately join my Tube Journey to Freedom program. You will be able to contact me personally and ask me any questions you have, and I will be more than happy to help you to start making money on YouTube. See you inside the Tube Journey to Freedom program immediately.